On this International Laughter Club on Zoom, I'm going to share with you something very important today, how laughter yoga can help cancer patients. If you know someone who has cancer, you can tell them and ask them to join Laughter Club on Zoom every day. This will definitely help cancer patients. So I will also keep on doing some laughter exercises and give you a very important information about cancer. All right. So first of all, what is cancer? Cancer, I'll give you a little example. Normal cell will take birth, grow, and die. There is a life cycle of a normal cell. But something happens in the genes, in the chromosomes, that is called mutation. So they become abnormal and cells will not die. Instead, they start multiplying and becoming bigger and bigger. It takes the shape of a tumor. The cancer becomes a growth and it starts pressing all the important structure in the body. It makes a lump, and this is how cancer develops. Of course, there are different types of cancer. So please, before we do the first laughter exercise, I want to share with you that cancer has become the third major killer in the world. Almost like 20 million people suffer from cancer every year. And how many people die? 9.7 million. Almost 10 million people die of cancer. So it's very important for us to know how we can be alert to find out that whether we can identify the early signs of cancer. So laughter yoga can definitely help cancer patients in a number of ways. First important thing is your immunity. If your immune system is strong, cancer will not grow faster. So immune system is very important. And it is said that every day our body is producing cancer cells. Our abnormal cells are being produced, and our immune system is so smart that it will keep on removing and you will not suffer from cancer. So it's very important to prevent cancer. You must keep laughing every day, and that will help you to prevent cancer. So take a long deep breath. Inhale. Hold it, and laugh it out. One more time. Breathe in. Hold it, and laugh it out. So apart from the genetic mutation, which nobody knows how it happens, and there are not many reasons which are known for genetic mutation, but there are some environment and lifestyle factors which can contribute to cancer, like people who smoke, drink excessive alcohol, people who live a very sedentary lifestyle, they don't do much exercises, they are more susceptible for cancer. And of course, the chemicals in our food, in the air, there are also contributing factors for the cancer. And of course, we have so many like radiations that is also affecting our life that can contribute to cancer. So friends, what are the symptoms? Now, sadly, sometimes there are no symptoms of cancer until it is reached to the last stage or advanced stage. But if you are fortunate, you can detect cancer very early. The earliest symptom could be loss of weight and loss of appetite. If anybody is losing weight and losing appetite, that could be the early sign of cancer. So you must get yourself scanned and investigated for having, if there is something like cancer in the body. Of course, there are different depending upon which part of the body has cancer. If you have coughing or bleeding from any part of the body, or if you notice any lump or a gland, any swelling, any part of the body, you must get yourself checked for if it is a cancer or not. You can get lymph nodes in the neck, or any part of the small glands might come up, and you can pinpoint and get yourself tested if there is a cancer or not. Okay, before we go to the next exercise, next information about cancer, cross your fingers, take a long deep breath, inhale, hold it, hold it, hold it, and laugh it All right, friends. Now let's come to the cancer treatment. So, if somebody gets cancer, there are three popular types of treatment available. One is chemotherapy, and that it has so many side effects. Second is radiation. If tumors become bigger, to squeeze, to burn the tumor, radiation is given. And third treatment available is surgery. So that cancer part can be removed from the body. For example, breast cancer has a very good result from doing surgery, doing radiation, and chemotherapy. So, friends, all this treatment process is important. I'm not saying that laughter is going to cure you from cancer, but please understand that after anybody has gone through all the treatment process, radiation, chemotherapy, and surgery, how much a person can survive, how much a person can live, depends upon your state of mind. If your mind is negative, then you could not going to live longer. Second, oxygen is very important. Wherever there is a oxygen, the cancer cells will not grow and multiply. And third, of course, most important is immune system. So three things to be that can help cancer patients survive much longer. And we have had many people suffering from cancer who join laughter yoga, and they live extraordinary life, very good quality of life. So first, let's talk about oxygen. Oxygen is the major factor. Dr. Otto Warburg from Germany, he says that if cells have more oxygen, cancer cells will not multiply faster. So it's very important. We always say laughter yoga is very simple. Breathe and laugh so that we can increase the amount of oxygen. Forget about cancer. Even for any disease, any chronic health disease, health problem, oxygen is the major healing factor. So let's take a long deep breath. Once again, breathe in. Fill up your lungs with more oxygen and laugh it. Very good, very good. Yay. Very good, very good. Yay. Second important healing factor for cancer patient is your mood states, your mind. So when somebody has cancer, your mind is in such a turmoil. You cannot laugh by watching funny movies, comedy, because mind is upset. It cannot comprehend humor. Since laughter yoga is a physically oriented technique where we have to laugh from the body no matter what happens. So it's much easier for cancer patient to do laughter yoga as a form of exercise and get the same benefits as of any spontaneous or natural laughter. So how laughter yoga helps to keep the mind positive? Very simple, by releasing four happy chemicals: endorphins, serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin. So let's breathe in and laugh. Hold it, and increase your endorphins. Dopamine going up. Good mood hormone. Oxytocin, serotonin, all going up. Very good. Very good. Yay. One more time. Very good. Very good. Yay. So, if we think about cancer prevention, I think 1 in every 5 people, we are all at a risk to have cancer with so much of negativity, so much of pollution, so much of chemicals in our life. So, I think it's good to be aware that to prevent cancer, laughter yoga can play a very important role to keep yourself fit and healthy. Second, if anyone suffer from cancer, no worries. Go through all the treatment process, whatever is necessary, but it will increase the life expectancy of the cancer patients if you laugh every single day. So daily laughter practice is more important. Since laughter yoga on Zoom is every day, so it's a very good idea. Please spread this message. If you come across anybody who has a cancer problem, it will be great to guide them to coming to the Zoom Laughter Club so that we can help them. And we have our own laughter yogis who suffered from cancer. And after having cancer, they become laughter leaders and they start teaching laughter yoga. And this is the best way you can bring more laughter into your life and lives of other people. So, friends, it's time to unmute and laugh for health, happiness, and world peace. Okay, ready? Breathe in, unmute, and laugh it out. Very good. Very good. Yay. Thank you, friends. Of course, there are many, many scientific studies which have proved that how laughter yoga is helping cancer patients around the world. So it's very important to know that this is something very simple and powerful tool.